In this video, I'm going to show you how to get your Groove funnel affiliate link. Now, the first thing you would want to do is, of course, go to groove.cm, not com, but cm. So you simply have to type Groove onto Google and go to their website. Now, what you then want to do is first log in or create an account. Now, once you've done that, it's very easy, by the way. You'll have to put in some of your info, and then you'll basically be able to get a free trial without a credit card. It's amazing. They're very great. And then you want to log into your account by simply clicking login, putting in your username and password, and then you'll be able to see your Groove app and the dashboard. Now, firstly, on top over here, as you can see, we are greeted with this Groove Affiliate Program button. You want to click this, and it will direct you to this website where what you want to do is click Get Started Now first, and then over here, you want to click Links. Now, once you click Links, you will see it says My Affiliate Links over here, and this is where you can get your Groove Funnel affiliate link. All you want to do is look over here where it says Main Site, click on it, on this copy button, and then you can paste it over here in your browser, and you'll see how it looks like. And over here inside link, you can see that affiliate ID has been triggered, and that's the affiliate link, your custom affiliate link. You can also direct them to the different page, which is this one over here, and was recommended in June 2024, as you can see. And if I put it in, it's a limited time offer on a different website, as you can see. So that's pretty much it. That's how to get your Groove Funnel affiliate link. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.